Komiti mar od bura mochung' ne ng'iyo kaka piny owacho tiyo kod omenda mag jopiny e bwo telo mar jaod bura Manavakolo Emmanuel Wangwe olimo moko kuom udi manoger kod bad migao mochung' ne omenda mag aeri kata NSSF e kar dak manyayo estate e gwenge mag Embakasi e kaunti ma Nairobi. Wangwe oyango ni kar doko ni bad migao mar NSSF no chulo kambi mar China Jiangxi mar piny China orak mar gero udi 272 kendo chulo kambi no omenda maromo milion 215. Kambi no gero mana udi 42 kende kendo bano piendege modhi. Kata kamano jagoro mar NSSF David Koros dok ne NSSF kao seo kaunti ma Nairobi kuom leo podho oboke mag gero udi maromo 176. Gino manomiyo kambi mar Jiangxi ochungo chenro mar gedo.
Literally is not there because the land that is there, number 817 and number 296, both belong to public institution. They are not supposed to be built commercial residential institution units. So it's land which must be negotiated upon for them to build. So meaning the management then decided to award a tender without actually the land with itself. So for today, the current management feels the land where we are standing now is an alternate.
Of course, there was an engagement between the NSSF and the City Council for approvals, which never happened for the reasons that the available properties or spaces that were there were actually public utilities or public properties, hence the reason why they never gave the approval. However, of course, a tender had been done, and of course, subsequent to that, the tender had to be cancelled at some stage, and that is why we are now in the process of addressing those historical issues.